In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up an eBay business account. Whether you're venturing into e-commerce for the first time or looking to expand your business footprint online, setting up an eBay business account can be a significant step. Let's dive into the process. First, head over to eBay's website at www.ebay.com. Once there, you'll want to look at the top corner of the homepage and click on the Register button. This is the starting point for creating your new account. Instead of selecting a personal account, you'll choose to create a business account on the registration page. This is particularly beneficial if you plan to sell products in large quantities, are representing a company, or simply want to craft a more professional seller profile. This approach allows you to tap into various unique features eBay offers for businesses and gives your store a polished official presence. Next up, you'll need to enter some specific business information. Be ready to provide your business name, which could be your company or store's name, your business email address for communications, a phone number where potential buyers or eBay can reach you, and your business's physical address, which will be crucial for billing and shipping purposes. After entering your business details, it's time to set up the login credentials for your account. Choose a username for your business account. Remember, this is what buyers will see, so make it relevant and professional. Additionally, pick a strong password to ensure your account's security. Once your details are set, eBay will likely send a verification code to your email or phone number. Enter this code on the website to confirm and verify your account. This step is important for securing your account and activating it for use. With your account verified, it's time to add payment and billing details. Linking a credit or debit card or even a bank account is essential as it handles selling fees and allows you to receive payouts from your sales. Ensuring these details are accurate is crucial for the smooth operation of your business transactions. Now let's add a personal touch to your account by customizing it. Upload your business logo or a relevant profile picture to create a recognizable brand image. Add a succinct description of your business to let potential buyers know what you're all about. If you want to explore more advanced selling features, consider setting up an eBay store subscription, which can enhance your business's branding and selling capabilities. Finally, you're ready to start selling. List your products with clear and attractive photographs, detailed descriptions, and competitive pricing. By using business policies for returns, shipping, and payment terms, you enhance the professionalism of your store, making it appealing and trustworthy to potential buyers. Congratulations, you're now prepared to drive your business forward on eBay.